How to show activity status on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. As you see, when your Instagram is open, you will found uh, you will found home. You go here and open your profile, then go to this three line and click, then go to settings and click, and then go to privacy and click, and then go to activity status, and then you will turn on this option by clicking here, and that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.